Everyone wants to build wealth fast, but most get-rich-quick advice online is either fake, illegal, or leaves out the boring truth. Today I'm going to show you the realistic 5-year path to actually building wealth. No shortcuts, no hype, just what actually works if you follow it consistently. Here's why most people never build real wealth, even in 10 or 20 years. They either wait for the perfect moment to start, or they chase quick wins, crypto pumps, risky trades, side hustles that promise overnight results. Both paths lead to the same place, nowhere. Building wealth in 5 years isn't about doing something extreme. It's about doing normal things consistently for 5 years straight, without quitting halfway. That's genuinely the hard part, not the strategy, the consistency. Wealth in 5 years comes from 3 things working together: how much you earn, how much you save, and how well you invest what's left. Miss any one of these, and the timeline stretches out. Get all 3 moving together, and 5 years becomes a realistic, achievable window. Before anything else, look at your income. If you're underpaid or stuck, the fastest wealth accelerator is increasing your income through a better job, a raise, or a skill upgrade. You can't outsave a low income forever. In the first year, focus heavily on this. This isn't about eating instant noodles for 5 years. It's about spending on what actually matters to you and cutting what doesn't. Track your expenses for 1 month. You'll be shocked how much goes toward things you don't even remember buying. Redirect that money toward your future instead. Set a clear savings target. For example, saving 20 to 30% of your income. But this saved money isn't meant to just sit. It has 2 jobs. First, build your emergency fund, 3 to 6 months expenses. Then everything beyond that moves into investments. You don't need to pick the perfect stock or time the market. Consistent investing, every month, regardless of market conditions, is what actually builds wealth over 5 years. Index funds, low-cost diversified investments, and reinvesting your returns are the boring, unglamorous tools that actually work. By year 2 or 3, consider building a second income stream, freelancing, a small side business, or skill-based income. This isn't required, but it significantly speeds up the timeline by increasing how much you can invest each month. As your wealth grows, protect it. Avoid lifestyle inflation, spending more just because you're earning more. Avoid high-risk bets that could wipe out years of progress in one bad decision. Protecting your gains is just as important as making them. Let's say someone earns a modest income, saves 25% of it, and invests consistently for 5 years while also growing their income slightly through skill improvement. By year 5, they're not rich, but they have a solid investment portfolio, a strong financial safety net, and money that's actively growing on its own. That's real, sustainable wealth, not a lottery win, but a foundation that keeps compounding long after year 5. Building wealth in 5 years isn't about luck or some secret trick. It's about doing simple things, earning better, spending intentionally, saving with purpose, and investing consistently, and refusing to quit when progress feels slow. Most people quit in year 2 because it feels too slow. The ones who make it to year 5 are usually not the smartest. They're just the ones who stayed consistent. If this gave you a clearer path, follow for more and tell me, which step are you struggling with the most right now?